Good morning, students. Now, next is concept scalar triple product. For a given set of three vectors, A vector, B vector, and C vector, the scalar A dot B cross C is called a scalar triple product. One dot, one cross is called scalar triple product. If A vector equal to A1 I cap, A2 J cap, A3 K cap, B vector equal to B1 I cap, B2 J cap, B3 K cap, C vector equal to C1 I cap, C2 J cap plus C3 K cube, then A dot B cross C or otherwise A cross B dot C means determinant of the coefficient Ijk. A, the coefficient is what? A1, A2, A3, B1, B2, B3, C1, C2, C2. Next is concept, the A dot B cross, this is called box product of A comma B comma C. Box product of A comma B comma C means first dot cross product second two. Or otherwise, first cross product of first two dots. Both the same meaning. ABC, ABC, A dot means cross. A cross with dot, is a meaning. Now, ABC, box product of ABC can be written as, right in order, ABC, Next, B, start with B, B, C, A. Next, start with C, C, A, B. All equal. But the ABC can be written as, A is fixed, you will interchange B and C, that's a negative. Yet in ABC, if C is fixed, the AB only change, automatically put the minus 6%. This idea. Right in order, ABC, ABC. Start with A means ABC, B means BCA, C means CAB. That's equal. Suppose one element is fixed, two elements only interchange mean automatically 5 interchange. Inside the box product, suppose some constant involved in lambda A vector B plus C mean lambda should be taken outside. Now, if A cross B dot C equal to 0, or otherwise, box product A comma B comma C 0 meaning if and only A B C coplanar. This is important idea for 2 mark or 3 mark. A B C coplanar means box product 0. If it is box product 0 means A B C equal to coplanar. Then volume of the parallel pipe equal to A comma B comma C. This is a formula. By using small idea, next exercise. 6-point exercise only by using this first idea. Box product, scalar triple product, coplanar, volume of the parallel pipe. This is the concept for second exercise. Now, exercise 6.2, first question. A vector, B vector, C vector given. Find A dot B cross C. First type the given vector, ABC. A dot B cross C means already told you this is called scalar product. First is A, Now consider A vector. What are the coefficients Ijk? 1, minus 2, 3. Next is what B? B vector. The coefficient B is what? 2, 1, minus 1. The last one is 3, 2, 1. Now expansion 1 into 1 are 1, formula having minus 2 into minus 2, minus 4, already minus plus 4. In between minus, change side plus 2. Now the row column cancel, 2 are 2, formula having minus, multiply both, minus 6, that is plus 6 will come. Plus 3 into 2 are 4, minus 3. Now 1 into 5, 2 into 8, 3 into 1. 5 ones are 5, 6 into 3. What is the answer? 44. This is the first answer. Very simple concept. Next one is A. What is the question? Here is the question. Here is the question. There was the book actually. What is asking? Find the volume of the parallel pipe asking. Parallel pipe asking. Parallel pipe asking. Am I right? Asking me, what is the formula? Box for A comma B comma C is the formula for volume of the parallel pipe. Box for A comma B comma C means A dot B cross C. A dot B cross C is what? What is meaning? 3 is area. 3 vectors are already given. 3 vectors will be A vector, B vector, C vector. Now write the coefficient of Ijk in A. Minus 6, 14, 10. Next step, 14, minus 10, minus 6. Next step, 2, 4, minus 2. In this way, you want to write the coefficient mixture of I, J, K in A vector, B vector, C vector. Now expand, that is the answer. Now minus 6 into what did I go? Minus into minus plus say 10 to 20. Formula having one minus. Then multiply both. What is the answer? 4 into minus, it is minus 24, and minus 24 plus 24. Minus 14 into multiply minus 28 plus 12. Last is that 10 into 4 plus 16, it will be 156. Now multiply plus 20. Now minus 6 into adding what? 44. What is the answer? Minus 16 plus 10 into 76. Now multiply minus 6 plus 24, 2, 24, 26. Here, in the 4, multiply minus minus plus say 14 into 16. Do the calculation of 4, 14 into 16, 224. Multiply yourself. 224 plus 716. Now, adding what? Actually, minus 40 plus 760, that is 720. This is the answer. Suppose negative will come in, the volume cannot be written down. Avoid negative sign, you write the only positive answer. But if by chance, positive only is there. That is the answer. Very simple concept. Scalar triple body A dot B cross C or A cross B dot C or box button A comma B comma C. These are all same. Determinant of first row, the coefficient of ij in A. The next row, coefficient of ij in B vector. Last one, the coefficient of ij in C vector. In this way, substitute. Then by using the math determinant idea, you want to expand and get the answer. That's all. Now listen here. Third question. 3 vectors are given. It will be A vector, B vector, C vector, as usual. Then what is given? If the volume of the parallelepiped is actually 90, then find the value of lambda. That is the question. What is asking? Lambda is asking. The question is what? If the volume of the parallelepiped is 90 cubic meters is given, the volume of the parallelepiped equal to 90 cubic meters is given. That means what? That means what? Box product of A comma B comma C 90 already given. Now box product of A comma B comma C means what? A dot B cross C equal to 90. Now A dot B cross C means what's the meaning? The coefficient of ijk in A vector is 7 lambda minus 2. Next is what? The coefficient ijk in B vector 1, 2, minus 2. Sorry, minus 1. Next step. Next step. Minus 3, 7 equal to 90. Now expansion 7 into cross multiply 10 plus 7 minus lambda into 1 5 or 5 formula having minus 3 into minus 1 only 3 plus minus 3 into 1 7 are 7 plus 6 because formula having minus 2 into minus 3 minus actually plus 6 9. Now 7 into 17 lambda into 2 minus 3 into 13 equal to 90. Now multiply 49 into 4 190 minus 2 lambda minus 39 equal to 90. Am I right? Now subtracting both 0. Am I right? Then 11 minus 8 minus 90 equal to plus 2 lambda. 2 lambda equal to what? Minus 5 10. Am I right? Therefore lambda equal to minus 5 is the answer. Am I right? 2 lambda equal to minus 10. Lambda equal to minus 10. That is the answer. Now fourth question, what is given now? This is asking. This is the question clearly. A plus B dot B cross C, B plus C dot C cross A, plus B, C plus A dot A cross B is asking. But what is given? Given volume of the parallelepiped is 4 is given. Already told you. You will find the volume of the parallelepiped. We get the answer. Sometime maybe negative value will come, positive value will come. That's why you will find assume plus or minus 4. Maybe. Actually, negative not possible. Suppose you will find the parallelepiped meaning negative answer will come, positive answer will come. That's it plus or minus 4. The volume of the parallel, what is the formula? Box for A comma B comma C is the formula. Again, this is what? A dot B cross C equal to plus or minus 4. This is given. Now this is asking. Now, which is this asking now? Which is equal to multiply A dot B. Next A dot B. A with the dot. Actually, not like this one. A dot B cross C, the whole thing. B cross C plus B dot B cross C. Am I right? First one over. Next step. Plus B dot C cross B. Next step. Plus C dot C cross B. Next step. C dot A. C dot A cross B. The dot is very important. Plus A dot A cross B. Now this is A dot B cross B. Am I right? No change. Plus this 0. What is the reason? B dot B cross B. Actually, what is the answer? Remember, the co-user B is what? Something is there. Again, co-user B is not something. The C is something. But the B is no. The co-user IJK. Suppose B vector equal to 2y plus 3j plus 4k means you write the answer 2, 3, 4. Here also 2, 3, 4 because B, C is there. So any two rows or columns are identical mean that is 0. In the box product, element should be repeated mean that is 0. In the box product A, B, 0. A, B, 0 in this way. Again, the B dot C cross C. The C is repeated not 0. Again, C dot A cross C. Am I right? Last two. Now this can be known as A dot B cross C. This also odd, BCA. This also A dot B cross C. Am I right? Suppose not in order means negative will come. ABC, next say BCA, next say CAB, all same. A dot getting B. Now 3 times A dot B cross C. Am I right? 3 into A dot the B cross C already given plus or minus 4. So your answer is plus or minus 4. That's very important. This is actually dot product. No, dot product means maybe negative sign will come or positive sign will come. That's why you will consider plus or minus. Important concept. This is given. This is asking. This is given. What is the meaning? Box product A comma B comma C means A dot B cross C is our assumption. Now write the question. Just operate. You want to multiply, then simplify. Is the box product or scalar triple product? This is called scalar triple product. Otherwise box product. The element should be repeated means that is automatically 0. They mean equal to 3 times A dot B cross C. Automatically plus or minus 4. 3 into plus or minus 12. That is answer. For the simple concept, only by using determinant idea, box product idea, that's all. Now question number 5. Find the altitudes of the parallelepiped determined by the 3 vectors, A vector, B vector, C vector. The base is taken as parallelogram determined by ABC. Here this is given. Now, volume of the parallel, what is the formula? What is the formula? Box product A comma B comma C. First find volume of the parallel. Then area of the parallel. You will find area of the parallel. Volume of the parallel, the area of the parallel. The volume of the parallel formula is base area into height. That's the formula. LPH is the formula. LPH. Product of L into B is what? Area. L into B is base area. Now, first find volume of the parallel pipe. Volume of the parallel pipe. What I told you? Box point of A comma B comma C is the formula for volume of the pipe. That is what? 3 vector, you know. First, the co-ijk A vector. Minus 2, 5, 3. 1, 3, minus 2. Minus 3, 1, 4. Now expansion. Minus 2 into 12 plus 2. Minus 5 into 4 minus 6. Am I correct? minus 5 in row cancel 1 4 4 formula having minus 10 plus 6 plus 3 into 1 1 are 1 minus multiply minus sign plus sign will come. Next minus 2 into 14 minus 5 into minus 2 plus 3 into 10. Am I correct? Now multiply minus 28 plus 10 plus 30. Answer is what? 40 minus 28, that is what? 12. That is the answer. First one. The volume of the parallelogram find out. Next, vector area of the base parallelogram. Vector area of the base parallelogram. Already told you parallel formula is what? Is a formula. Vector area means without modulus. Only area means with the modulus. First find B plus C. Afterwards, only area. That means we are taking modulus. Vector area means I say no problem. Because base is P and C given. That's why P plus C is the formula. That means what? Cross point is what? I, J, K, B. The coefficient of B is what? I, J, K. Coefficient I, J, B vector. 1, 3, minus 2. C. Minus 3, 1, 4. Now you want expansion equal to I vector into I cap into I j k cap. I cap into multiply 12 plus 2 minus j cap into 4 minus 6 plus k cap into 1 also 1 formula minus 3 into 3 minus 9 plus 9. Now add equal 14 I cap minus 2 no plus 2 k cap then k. That now only area of the base the parallelogram is equal to modulus of B plus C. Modulus means what? The coefficient of I, J, K should be square adding inside the square root. This is a modulus. Okay. Now square 196 plus 4 plus 100. That is what? 300. 300 can be written as 10 into root 3. Am I right? 300 can be written as 100 into 3. Square root of 100 10 root 3. Now volume find out. Area of the parallel also find out. Volume of the parallel, what is the formula? L into B direction. That means what? Base area into altitude. Am I right? Volume of the we know the formula parallel pipe is equal to what is the formula? Base area of the parallelogram. Base area of the parallelogram into altitude. Am I right? The volume of the parallelogram already find out. What is the answer? 12. Equal to the base is a parallelogram find out 10 root 3. In altitude. What is asking? Altitude only asking. Therefore, altitude is equal to what? 12 by 10 root 3. Am I right? 12 by 10 root 3. You want to simplify? 6 by 5. Am I right? 6 by 5 into root 3. 6 by 5 root 3. But we don't want root 3 diameter multiplied by root 3. Answer is what? 6 root 3 by 15. 5 into 3. Divide 2 root 3 by 5. That is the answer. Am I right? That is the answer. You want to simplify up to the denominator root number means you want to remove the root number. That is the answer. So anyway, clearly given parallel pipe. That's why you find the parallel formula. What we A, B, C, we get the answer 12. Then vector area means without modulus B plus C. Area means with modulus B plus C, we get the answer. Then write the formula. Volume of the parallel pipe. That means what? Base area into altitude. Because L into B into H. H is altitude. Area means L into B. That is the answer. Substitute the value, cross multiply, we get altitude. This is about 5%. Concepts are easy. Question number 6. Determine whether the vectors, first vector, second vector, and third vector coplanar. Three vectors you know. It will be A vector, B vector, C vector. Coplanar means what I told you. If A vector, comma B vector or C vector are coplanar means then box product is 0 is a common order. Am I right? Now find box product. Now you want to find A vector, comma B vector, C comma B vector. If it is 0 means A comma B comma C 0. This is the formula. Now A vector, the coefficient of I, J, K in A vector. 2, 3, 1. Next set. 1 minus 2, 2. Next set. 3, 1, 3. Now you want to multiply 2 into minus 6 minus 2. Minus 3 into 1 3 are 3 minus 6. Plus 1 into 1 is 1. Formula by minus 8. Multiply 3 into minus 2 minus 6. The plus 6 will come. Now 2 into minus 8. 3 into minus 3. 1 into 7. Simplify. Minus 16 plus 9 plus 7. Minus 16 plus 16, that is 0. Hence A vector, comma B vector, comma C vector are coplanar. Very simple concept. The same thing, one more problem. A vector, B vector, C vector given, and also C1 value given, C2 value given. Find C3. Then such that here A comma B comma C are coplanar. The same thing only. A vector, B vector, C vector given. Since what is given? A vector given. What is given? A vector, comma B vector, comma C vector are coplanar. That means what is the formula? Which implies box product of A comma B comma C equal to 0 is the formula. Then A vector. Consider A vector. The coefficient I, J, K 1, 1, 1. In B vector, the coefficient I, J, K, the I coefficient 1. In no J, no K, that's 0, 0. The coefficient I, J, K in C vector. C1, C2, C3 equal to 0. Once again, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0. C1, what is very given? Given. Questions given. C1 is 1. C2 is what? 2. C3 is asking. Am I right? Now next one. 1 into cross multiply 0 minus 0. Minus 1 into C3 minus 0. Plus 1 into 2 sort 1 sort 2 minus 0. Now this is 0. Minus C3 plus 2 equal to 0. What is your answer? Minus 3 equal to minus 2. C3 equal to. That's our this answer. Very simple concept. Am I right? This is a simple concept. By using coplanar idea, substitute the coefficient I, J, K in A and then B vector, C vector. Afterwards, C3 is asking C1, C2 is given. Substitute only C1, C2. Now next one, automatically we get the value for C3. C3 is 2 is the answer. Both are simple concept by using only coplanar idea. Now question 8, A vector, B vector, C vector given. Show that the box for A comma B comma C depends neither X. Now that means what? Neither X now we mean, and that answer A comma B, the box for A comma B comma C involving without X. That is the answer. You will find box for A comma B comma C. We get the answer now. That answer not involving X and Y. That means what? Depends on neither X nor Y. X and Y. Now what is given? A vector, B vector is given. A vector is what? I cap minus K cap. That's all. B vector equal to X I cap plus J cap plus 1 minus X into K cap. C vector equal to Y I cap plus X J cap plus 1 plus X minus Y into K cap. Now find box product of A comma B comma C. Am I right? Box product equal to remember the coefficient I, J, K no is 1, no J minus 1. Here X The 1 minus x. Last one is what? The y x 1 plus x minus 1. Now expand 1 into multiply 1 into this one 1 plus x minus 1 minus x into 1 minus x. Am I correct? Next 0 is 0 right? Minus 1 into the x into x square minus 1. Am I correct? Am I correct or not? That's important. Put the bracket. The 1 into this into this minus this into this. Minus 0 is 0, right? Last one is minus 1 into x into x square minus y into 1. Now simplify 1 plus x minus y. Multiply minus x minus into minus plus x square. Then minus x square plus y. This plus y minus y cancel. X square minus y cancel. Minus x plus x cancel. And then which implies that means what? The box product A, B, C depends neither x nor y. The answer not in only x or y. That is the meaning. Very simple concept. A, B, C given. A vector, B vector, C vector given. Clearly given the question show that box product A, B, C depends on neither x nor y. That means what? That box product A, B, C not involving x and y. The answer is what? Here not involving x and y, that is the answer. Now, another question, by using this box product area only, A vector, B vector, C vector, these are 3 non-zero vectors. Now C is a unit vector. That means what? Given C vector is a unit vector. C vector is a unit vector. That means what? Box product is determinant of C vector is what? That is the modulus is what? Next say C vector is perpendicular to both A vector and B vector. This is also good. Understand? C vector is perpendicular to both A cross B. This is also given. Now, the angle between A and B also given. What is given? Angle between A and B is like this. These are all given. Now, what is asking? First, find box product A, B, Actually, you want to prove box product A, B, C whole square. I am finding only box product A, B, C after square. Now, what is the formula for this one? A dot B cross C is a formula. Alright? Or otherwise, A cross B dot C is a formula. Now, the A cross B, what is the formula for definition? A cross product definition is what? Modulus of A vector, modulus of B vector, into sin theta is 5/6, into perpendicular to C vector, because C is perpendicular to both A and B, no? That's why A and B. That's what? A and B vector, no? That's why here, actual formula is what? A cross B is equal to mod A, mod B, sin theta into n cap. This is the formula. The n cap is what? C vector. Already one C vector is there. Am I right? C vector is there. Dot C vector is there. The modulus of A, only modulus of A, modulus of B. This is what? Sin pi by 6. That is what? Sin 30 is what? 1/2. The C dot C is 1. Am I right? The same quantity dot is 1. Now, squaring, that is the answer. Very simple concept. Now, therefore, squaring on both sides equal to 1/2 square 1/4 modulus of A whole square modulus of B whole is the answer. That's all. Very important concept. A dot B cross C or otherwise this can be written A cross B dot C. Then we get the answer. Now dot C is there, no change. Instead of A cross B, what is the formula? Mod B sin theta into n cap. N cap is what? Perpendicular vector. Here C is perpendicular vector. That's why we put C. Here theta is 5/6. Mod A, mod B into sin 5/6 C vector. The C dot C is 1. Sin pi is 1 by 2. Now square that is the answer. Now 9th question over. Now actually, previously I explained no, this is actually 10th question. This is the answer question. Number one check. The previous question is actually 10th question. Instead of 9, put 10. This is the answer question. If the vectors, 3 vectors are given, no, this is a coplanar. Prove that C vector is a geometric mean of AB. C, not C vector, only C. C is the geometric mean of. Geometric means what? GM. GP, no, geometric progressor, that idea. So that is what? C is the geometric mean of AB mean. In terms of area, you want to prove C squared equal to AB. Now the same concept. 3 vectors are given, since A vector, B vector, C vector are coplanar. That means what? Box squared equal to 0 is a formula. Now substitute again. First code I, J, K in A vector, A, C. Next say 1, 0, 1, no J. C, C, B. Now next one. What is answer? A into 0 minus C. Minus A into B minus C. Last is what? C into C minus B. Now minus AC, minus AB, plus AC, plus C squared equal to 0. Minus AC, minus AB, plus AC, 3 cancel. The C squared equal to what? AB. Am I right? Which implies C equal to root of AB. This is the answer. Therefore, which implies C is a geometric mean of AB. That is the answer. Therefore, C is geometric mean, GM of A and B. That is the answer. GM. GM means geometric mean of the AB. 10th row already over. Now this exercise completely over. Exercise 6.2. All the exercise was over. This small concept only. Coplanar, scalar triple product, volume of the parallelepiped. Using this idea only, we did all the problem. Anyway, 6.2 exercise over. Today that's all.